What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and finally we're able to do another unboxing video today because I can't remember when was the last time I copped a pair of shoes. But anyway, it's gonna be a quick unboxing today because it's another pair of Nike Dunk, as you can see by the box. But this pair is not a new colorway, it's a restock, I suppose. Came out in 2021. It was super hyped up. At one point I think the resale has reached above 500 bucks. I'm not sure about the US or the UK, but anyway, like 2 weeks ago Nike just loaded this pair onto the sneaker app for Asia at least. I have always wanted this pair, and you know, I just couldn't spend that much resale money on this. But yeah, let's see, this is the Nike Dunk Premium, the medium curry. Not sure if you know this pair yet, but see right here, I'm sure that once you see the shoes, you know which I'm talking about. So in the box, bam, the Nike Dunk medium curry. This one's hard. Off the box, it's right here, guys. The medium curry. Wow, this pair is gorgeous. 2 years later, I have finally caught this pair and added to my collection. No way I'm reselling this pair. And this pair is even better in person. And first thing, it smells great. It smells great. It smells like a good shoes for me. So y'all can see it's suede all over the shoes, but you do get like different suede though. Like this is like an actual right here. It's more like a super smooth suede, and here it's like a fuzzy, curly suede. And you get another super smooth, more like a cream color swoosh right here. And here you got like the creamy-ish shoelace. It's a Nike Dunk, so you only get one set of laces on here. Let me tell you all though, since it's like a premium, it is better than like the regular GR Panda Dunks, for example. The quality is better, so that's right off the bat, it's better. I love this colorway for this pair, the color blocking, everything's on point, man. This pair, and I'm pretty sure that the resale market has dropped a lot. You know, let's take a look. The lowest ask right now is $246, highest bid is $204. The last sale was $250. So you know, as you can see, the price has dropped dramatically. At the highest point, it was going for $571. $571. You can see people are spending over $500 for this pair. Beauty right here is if I were together, I'm not gonna rock this pair just yet, but you know, the outsole, it's like a brown all over the place. I do like the creamy white though. Definitely gives me like a super vintage look, and personally I feel like this is certainly a colorway that you just cannot go wrong with it, and it can easily be your enter your daily rotation. You know, if you have like 3-4 pairs rotating throughout the week, this pair will be in there easily. Scale out of 10, man, this is a 10 out of 10 for me, or 9.5 at least. It's a great pair of Dunk. Love the colorway. Thank you Nike for restocking, giving me. And this is probably gonna wrap up the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram as well, and I'll see you all soon. Peace.